Hi everyone. I know I said I wasn't coming back until I get to the lake house to start going through the rehab. Well, I decided to stay here at the farm until Saturday. I do have a mobile signing down here on Friday. Hopefully if it's supposed to snow, I'm hearing that it's supposed to snow again. I'm hoping not, fingers crossed. So I decided to come and show you one of my favorite meals I like to prepare vegan. It's an Alfredo sauce. It's gonna be over linguini noodles with, I'm gonna have grilled portabella mushrooms laid on there on a pasta and the sauce poured over it, and we're gonna have asparagus. But I wanted to show you all the ingredients because it only takes about, once you get the ingredients done. I got my trusty Ninja. You need a good food processor because the Cashews is the milk base. Well, it's the sauce base. So what you need is 1 cup of raw cashew, which is right here. Almond milk. You can use vegetable broth or water, but I like mine really creamy. And then you have onions and the garlic we grew. Straight out the garden. So this is the garlic, onion. I use Himalaya salt. You can use sea salt, but I like Himalaya salt because of the trace elements in it. And then pepper. So, and then to give it that cheesy taste, nutritional yeast. So what it's going to be a cup of raw cashews soaked in hot boiling water, which I have now. And I wanted to share this. Remember I was telling you about the Ready Whip almond style? I got it for my coffee. I like to put it on my coffee. In fact, I even use cream. I got an almond creamer. Voila, coconut. So I put a little cream in it, just a tad bit. I still love my cream and my sweet, so I'm gonna put a little bit of coffee. Then I'm gonna top it off with my Ready Whip. You talking about something good. That is good, and it's vegan. So that's what I like about it. I'm gonna set that over there for right now. And like I said, we're gonna get to what we're gonna do is a cup of, I get all my ingredients laid out before I start. So I'm gonna get my cup of raw cashews in a bowl. I already had the water boiling. So I'm gonna soak it in that for at least 10 minutes while 10 minutes or more. You can do it overnight. You really don't have to soak it. But if you don't soak it, you'll get a grainy taste with the Alfredo. When you soak it, it gives it a smoother taste. The linguini we use in whole grain. I haven't put that on yet, but I'm about to put that on. But I just wanted to get the cashews soaking, so stay tuned as I chop up all the rest of the ingredients and show you when I put it in the blender. So stay tuned.
my 6-piece towel set is regularly $109.99, $39.99 with your promo code. So go to mypillow.com now and use the promo code on your screen, or call the 1-800 number below to receive this exclusive offer. Thank you and God bless.
When you know it's time to get back in shape, Total Gym makes it easy to take the first step, then the second, and the third. It works your entire body with over 80 different exercises. Using your body weight as resistance, it delivers cardio and strength training in every workout. Total Gym won't just change how you feel, it'll change your future. Total Gym is ready to ship. Get yours today. Go to TotalGymDirect.com for special offers.
There's a new place where comfort and joy live. A celebration of every season, every day.
Voila, finished. Alfredo sauce over linguini with portabella mushrooms and asparagus. I did add some, I added some hot cayenne pepper that we usually grow, and that's what I chucked in that, so you can flavor it the way you want. But this is the finished product. Rick loves it, I love it. So see you next time. So everyone, now I'm going to enjoy my meal with Rick. I just want you to like and subscribe for the next video, to see the next video. Also, down in the comments, comment on what you think about the meal. It's delicious. Another thing I want to say is I did add a little bit more to it, like the cayenne pepper we grow ourselves. And you can make the sauce as thick or thin as you would like. You can add, like I said, you can use water, or you can use the milk base, non-dairy, or vegetable broth to make it how it's the consistency you want it. Also, I know you probably wonder why I have 2 bags. We do compost everything that's perishable. Since we eat vegan, most of the food we eat is compost. It can be compost. Excuse me. What is it, Rick?
Composted.
Composted, you heard him. Composted. And then the other bag is for actual trash. So again, like and subscribe. Make any comment what you think about the meal. Thank you. See you later.